Angelia and Mateo.
Today, we're going to make what?
Fluffy pancake. It is so fluffy. I got
Okay, where's our bowl? In our bowl, we already have a
cocoa.
flour. And now, we're going to put, yes, we're going to put all baking soda.
Oh no, Mars.
Mateo, get the spatula, Mateo. Okay, next, we're going to put our eggs. Egg, 1 egg. Okay. Yes, mix it.
Adios. No.
What? Okay, continue mixing it. After now, we are going to put milk.
Wow.
Milk, gradually. Slowly, Angel. Okay. Yes, all. Okay. And now, mix it. Kung na-notice nyo na kulang pa yung liquid natin, pwede natin siyang dagdagan. 1 tablespoon at a time ng milk. Ngayon, kailangan natin siyang i-mix mabuti. Hanggang wala na siyang maging lumps at maging smooth na siya. Yung mixture natin. Ngayon, ipe-prepare na natin yung egg whites. Gagawa tayo ng meringue. Yung meringue yung magpapa-fluffy sa pancake natin. Ayan, ngayon nakagawa na tayo ng meringue natin. Yung 1 egg whites, binit ko lang hanggang magbubble. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng sugar. 1 tablespoon ng sugar. Binit ko lang ulit hanggang maging stiff thick siya. Ngayon, ifo-fold na natin siya dun sa mixture natin, sa pancake mixture natin. Fold. Fold natin lahat.
Mama, mira!
Preheat na natin yung pancake pan natin. Maglalagay na tayo ngayon ng butter.
Mama,
Okay.
yo quiero poner el butter. Mama.
Hintayin lang natin mag-melt yung butter natin. Okay, ngayon maglalagay na tayo ng scoop ng ating mixture. Pancake. Pancake mixture. Oops. Ngayon, hindi naman siyang mabaw. Kailangan nyo na yung ilan na ako nagbabaw sa baw. Yes. Okay. Ngayon, hindi naman siyang ayan. Malapit na siya. Hintay lang natin siya mag-bubble. Okay. Tingin ko okay na. Pwede na natin siyang i-flip. Sa other side. Oops. Okay. No. Oops. Oops. Okay. Ayan na yung ating finished product. What is that, Angel? Pancake with?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Wow.
No!
Oh.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Makita, isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.